Question number 4, A part. The mean age of 33 students of a class is 13 years. If one girl leaves the class, the mean becomes 12 whole 15 upon 16 years. What is the age of the girl? Mean age of 33 students is equal to 13 years. Total age of 33 students is equal to 33 multiplied by 13. 13 3s are 39, 3 carry, 39 plus 3, 42. That is equal to 429 years. If one girl leaves the class, then mean of 32 students is equal to 12 whole 15 upon 16 years. That is 12 16 into 12. 12 6 are 72. 7 192 plus 15, that is 207, equal to 207 upon 16 years. So total age equal to 32 multiplied by 207 upon 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, which implies 7 twos are 14 and 2 twos are 4 years. What is the age of the girl? Equal to 429 minus 414, which implies 429 414 15 years. Answer. Mean age of 33 student is given 13 years. So total age of 33 student is 33 multiplied by 13, that is equal to 429 years. If one girl leaves the class, then mean of 32 students is equal to 12 whole 15 upon 16 years. That is 16 12s are 192 plus 15, that is 207. 207 divided by 16 years. So total age equal to remaining 32 students, 32 into 207 upon 16. 16 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. 207 multiplied by 2 equal to 414 years. Age of the girl is equal to 429. Total years 429 in 33 students, and remaining 32 students is equal to 414 years. 429 minus 414, that is equal to 15 years. Answer. Question number 4, B part. In a class test, the mean of marks scored by a class of 40 students was calculated as 18.2. Later on, it was deducted that the marks of one student was wrongly copied as 21 instead of 29. Find the correct mean. Mean is equal to 18.2. Number of students equal to 40. So sum of numbers equal to 40 multiplied by 18.2, which implies 40 into 182 upon 10. That is 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 728. Later on, it was deducted that the marks of one student was wrongly copied as 21 instead of 29. When student was wrongly copied 21 instead of 29, then difference is equal to 29 minus 21, that is equal to 8. So correct mean equal to 728 plus 8 divided by 40, which implies 8 plus 8 16, 2 plus 1 3, and 7 divided by 40. 4 10s are 40, 4 1s are 4, 33, 4 8s are 32, then 16, 4 4s are 16. Correct mean equal to 184 upon 10, which implies 18.4. Answer. Mean of 40 students is given 18.2 and number of students is 40. So sum of numbers, that is equal to 40 multiplied by 18.2, that is equal to 728. When students were wrongly copied 21 instead of 29, then their difference will be 29 minus 21 is equal to 8, and correct mean is equal to 728 plus difference is equal to 8 plus 8 divided by 40, 736 upon 40. 4 times are 40, and 184 4s are 736. So correct mean equal to 184 divided by 10, that is 18.4 answer. Thank you.